Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 3rd, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm still a big believer that this is going to make a higher low, higher low. I still think this is either going to go up and make an expanding flat wave C, which would bring it all the way up beyond these highs, or possibly it's a running flat wave C, which would possibly bring it down to one of these lower fibs. Either way, I think we have a pretty significant move to the upside still ahead of us. Taking it down to the weekly, I'm still looking at this move up as a wave 1. I still think this is an ABC, expanding flat wave 2. Then I think that would make this right here a 1 of 3, and I still think this looks like a 2 of 3. I kind of feel like the wave 2 of 3 may be over already. It kind of seems to me like we may already be going up to make that wave 3, 4, and 5 like I was explaining on the higher time frames. Taking it down to the daily time frame, to me it looks like a complete pattern. It looks like a big uptrend for wave 1. This is a downtrend for an A. 3 waves up for a B. Even though this is 3 waves right here, which kind of makes you think that maybe this could be a crescent to a downtrend, which it definitely could be. To me, it just kind of looks like an impulsive move down to a Fibonacci level, and now it kind of looks to me like maybe, just maybe, this thing is now trending up in a wave 3. So keeping all that in mind, let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, our challenge as of right now is to figure out whether this is an A or 1, whether this is an ABC of B or an ABC of 2, and that this move up is either a 1, 2, 3 of wave C, or is it a 1, 2, 3 of 3? If it is a 1, 2, 3 of C, then potentially it would go up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, break structure to the downside, proving that it's a wave C, and then continuing back down like I was showing on the daily. If it's not a wave C, then yeah, it would probably still bounce from a fib level, but you wouldn't get any fib. You wouldn't get any break of structure. You would just get a fib bounce, and it would just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, proving that it's not a wave C and that it really is a wave 3. So either way, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So we do have non-farm payroll news coming out today, and that's a pretty big news event for the dollar. Some of the dollar pairs do kind of look like this could be an A, B, C, or B. That definitely doesn't look like an A, B, C, or B on this one. On this one, it kind of looks like this is a big A, B, C right here, and this would potentially be a 1, this potentially is a 2, and this is potentially a wave 3. So I think there's actually a maybe, even though we have big news today, I think there is definitely a chance that this keeps on going up. But if it does bounce from a fib level, if it does break structure to the downside, then I would definitely get out of my longs, and I would potentially go short, because at that point it would probably help prove that we really are due for a bigger move to the downside. So either way, I'm in a long, I'm holding a long right now, but if the market turns at the news today and breaks structure, I'll definitely exit that long, and I'll reverse my position and go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.